Welcome to the SAM4 NOVAQ video installation guide. We're going to show you how to install and connect the SAM4 NOVAQ hardware. If you would like extra help, our online installation guide contains detailed information on every part of the process. You can access it through the Samotics Help Center by scanning the QR code on the kit box or by reaching out to your Samotics contact person. Before you start installing, please prepare the following success factors. First, ensure that any necessary permits have been approved prior to the intended installation date. Second, make sure that the motor control cabinet can be de-energized during installation. Third, plan sufficient time. Installation should take 60 to 90 minutes per asset. Make sure to add in a buffer for unforeseen circumstances. Fourth, review your organization's internal safety requirements regarding circuit protection and proper fusing. And last, ensure the ongoing availability of a network connection or sufficient mobile signal strength. The SAM4 NOVAQ hardware consists of multiple components. For every selected asset, you will receive a sensor kit. Inside of the sensor kit are the following components: 1 data acquisition device, or NOVAQ, 3 current transformers, 3 fused terminal blocks, 1 DIN rail stop, 1 Ethernet cable. For each NOVAQ chain, you will receive at least 1 power supply unit. You will also receive a modem kit if you choose mobile network or Wi-Fi as your primary connection type. The exact components you'll receive are based on your specific setup. To successfully install the SAM4 NOVAQ hardware, you'll need additional materials and tools which are not included with the SAM4 NOVAQ hardware. Before starting the installation, make sure that the motor control cabinet is de-energized. A modem is required to provide connectivity to SAM4 via the mobile network or Wi-Fi. You won't be supplied with a modem kit in case of internal network usage. The first step is to mount the modem kit components on the DIN rail in a location with sufficient signal strength. Connect the modem to the 12-volt power supply using the provided cable. Alternatively, you can use an existing 12-volt or 24-volt installation. Do not connect the power supply to the power grid yet. Connect the antennas to the modem's mobile ports. Then connect the Ethernet cable to the LAN port and route it to the NOVAQ installation point. If Wi-Fi is the primary connection, connect the Wi-Fi antenna to the modem's Wi-Fi port instead of the 4G antennas. Mount the power supply unit and the NOVAQ on a DIN rail. Use a DIN rail end stop to ensure effective airflow between the NOVAQ units. In case of multiple NOVAQs in one location, Samotics will advise you on the number and the location of the power supply units needed for your SAM4 installation. Do not connect the power supply to the grid at this stage. Connect the NOVAQ and power supply to protective earth. This is a critical safety step to prevent shock hazard and protect the equipment. Set up current measurements by first checking that the motor amperage is within the current transformer's rated range. For motors with multiple wires per phase, divide the motor current by the number of wires and ensure the current transformer's rating matches. Plug the current transformer's connectors into the NOVAQ ports in the following order: Phase 1, brown, to the port closest to the DIN rail, Phase 2, black, to the middle port, and Phase 3, gray, to the port furthest from the DIN rail. Route the current transformer's cables from the NOVAQ to the corresponding motor phase wires. If the cables are too short, refer to the installation guide for extension instructions. Verify the connector text and the wire label or color before connection. Open the current transformer, place it around the phase wire in the orientation shown on the sticker. Check that the core is clean and close it. The current transformer should hang loosely around the wire. Finally, confirm all current transformers are installed at separate phases in the right orientation. The next step is to install the SAM4 voltage measurement. Voltage can be branched from existing terminal blocks or directly from the control device output. Install 3 fused terminal blocks on the DIN rail, keeping at least 2 centimeters of distance from the NOVAQ to ensure EMC compliance. Branch the voltage and connect the wires to the fused terminal blocks, using a flathead screwdriver to open the connector. Then connect a second set of wires to the opposite side of each fused terminal block. Insert the free ends into the voltage connector at ports 1, 4, and 7 of the 7-pole push-in connector, following the same order as for the current transformers. Phase 1, brown, closest to the DIN rail, Phase 2, black in the middle, and Phase 3, gray, furthest from the DIN rail. After inserting the wires, push the voltage connector into the NOVAQ. Repeat all steps for voltage and current measurements for each NOVAQ unit. If using a mobile network or Wi-Fi, connect an Ethernet cable from the modem's LAN port to the WAN port on the NOVAQ. For a wired internet connection, connect an Ethernet cable between the WAN port on the NOVAQ and the internal router or switch. All NOVAQ units require a 48-volt power supply. Connect each provided power supply to the grid voltage through a circuit breaker. Then attach the red-black wire to the power supply's terminals, ensuring correct polarity. Plug the black connector into the bottom port of the corresponding NOVAQ. You can connect multiple NOVAQ units to share power from the power supply unit using Power over Ethernet. All required power supplies and their placement in the chain are provided by Samotics. To set this up, connect an Ethernet cable from the LAN port of the NOVAQ linked to the power supply to the WAN port of the next NOVAQ. When chaining, always use the top port for the NOVAQ closer to the power supply and the bottom port for the NOVAQ further away. Depending on the amount of NOVAQs and the distance between them, additional power supply units will be included. Before powering up the SAM4 installation, double-check that the Ethernet cables are correctly plugged into the devices, that all current transformers are properly closed, and that the voltage wires are correctly connected. To power up the system, connect the power supply to the power grid. After you power up the system, the LEDs on the power supplies and NOVAQ should light up. On each power supply unit, there should be an LED marked DCOK lighted green. On the NOVAQ unit, the power LED should be blinking blue. The connectivity and current transformers LEDs should turn green once the system is fully started. If your setup shows no or different LEDs, go to the Checks tab in the installation guide or visit our help center. The SAM4 hardware has been installed successfully. To complete commissioning, link each NOVAQ unit to its corresponding motor. Connect the NOVAQ to your laptop via Ethernet. Open sam4.local in your browser. Log into the SAM4 setup tool. Go to the DAQs tab, select Link a motor, and assign the NOVAQ to the correct motor from the list. For more details on the commissioning tool, watch our dedicated video or visit the installation guide. Don't forget, if you'd like extra help, our online installation guide contains detailed information on every part of the process. You can access it through the Samotics Help Center by scanning the QR code on the kit box, or by reaching out to your Samotics contact person. Thanks for watching.